What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're back at it today with the Grom build. Today we are putting on the Z&Z custom rear sets. It took me about a month and a week to get these. It really isn't that bad. Most people wait about 2 months to get theirs in, but I wrote him, told him what happened. And well, here I am a month and a week later. Also ordered the front and rear axle sliders, powder coated white just like these. I think it's gonna look really good and they won't break, so it's a big plus. Guys, I'm already gonna recommend Z&Z Customs. I mean, it comes with all these washers are color coded, so it makes it super easy. It comes with new bolts, it comes with like a little keychain with a key, and has like a little blade in it. Stickers, and check this out. It's like a little keychain thing. You take the top off, it's a little light, and it's actually pretty bright. It comes with instructions. I mean, it's very clear, but you know, don't need those. I have bad experiences taking this bolt out, so hopefully it'll go nice and smooth. One thing I highly suggest is I have an old axle bolt that I'm gonna use. If you have something you can push this out with and keep it in there so nothing falls and like gets out of place, it'll make your life much easier. It's not really lining up very good. Oh well, I'll get it. This side is going to be a little more difficult because of all the brake stuff on the back of this, but we'll get it done, you know, there's no doubt about that. If anyone has a better way to get this little ring off besides just opening up a pair of pliers and hoping for the best, please let me know. Finally. Well guys, I got all this back together. Now I'm going to throw it on there and then connect these wires back, these two for the brake light, because you know that's very important. So let's get this side back on there. So if anyone noticed what I did right here, I did not put the bolt that comes in the kit. I put the old bolt back in because the threads are messed up. Can't get that all the way in there. It'll be fine for now though. Eventually I'll have to tap that back out so I can put the right bolt back in. But for now, it'll ride. Alright guys, I'm not going to do a final like show you guys tonight because it's all dirty, it's getting dark out. So I'll be back tomorrow. Here we are a week later. To be honest, I totally forgot about this video until last night. I went and helped a buddy of mine install the same rear sets on his Grom. We both really like them. Two things that you should think about before buying them. I can feel a little bit of a vibration. It might be because my wheel's bent. It could have something to do with the exhaust being up against it, or the rear wheel is just bent, which it is bent. So that could be causing it to vibrate. And I can just feel it more in these than I could in the other ones. And then, what was the other thing? Oh, these are not gonna bend or break ever, which most people would be like, well, isn't that what you want? If you fall hard enough, I think it would be very possible for it to bend your swing arm. So that's something to think about. But looks, quality, amazing product. I would highly recommend this product for any of you guys, whether you're, it doesn't really matter what you're doing, to be honest. So yeah, I'm very happy with it. My friend was happy with his. So yeah, if I was you, I'll go pick some up. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll see you next time. Peace.